mostly sold in punnets, so it can be almost impossible to avoid the plastic that comes along with them. Instead, you can focus on reducing your food waste. So here are my top tips to keeping your berrylicious berries fresh in the fridge a lot longer. Tip number 1, if you spot any mouldy berries early on, it's best to pick those out and discard them right away. Berries carry mould spores that cause them to go bad really quickly, and that mould can then spread across the whole punnet of berries in a flash. Tip number 2, keep your berries fresh in the fridge by nestling the punnets close to or around your dampened swags in the crisper of your fridge. They will last so much longer in this environment. And of course remember, berries that are super ripe to begin with should be eaten within a couple of days. Tip number 3, when you see your berries over-ripening, store in the freezer and pull out what you need when you need it, stopping the rest from further ripening. Feel free to check out my other swag videos for more tips and tricks to keeping your fruit and veggies fresher for longer. Thank you for making a positive difference to the world. Happy swagging!